Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, let's say you bought a domain or hosting from a hostager and want to use it with Shopify. So basically this small tutorial is for you, since I will show you exactly how to connect Shopify to hostager in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. But first we're just gonna go and look for it here. Basically, then go to the main website. Okay, we are here on this dashboard. Explore. Blog features and tools. We have many options. Manage for hosting for WordPress, manage hosting for whatever. Then find the DNS settings. Select your domain and open DNS or name servers. Make sure you copy Shopify IP address as well. In Shopify, we're gonna go back to settings and look for the domain option. So we are here. Well, let's go to the home page. We're gonna go to settings. I don't know if I'm actually gonna show you my whole IP address thing, but it's fine. Okay, let's do it basically. We're gonna go to domains. So as you see here, you have your basically connected domains. It's time now to connect an existing domain. All you're gonna do now is update basically the domain name or whatever, just copy it and paste it here. Then you're gonna go through next. DNS updates may take a few minutes to basically change, but it's totally fine. After basically you are fully done, verify connection in Shopify. Go back to Shopify and confirm your domain is fully activated and connected. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.